art vlog. So today I'll be doing my favorite thing, that is creating art. So I've got these basic colors. I'm gonna use this fiery red or beautiful fluorescent red color in the painting. I'm gonna mix it with turquoise color, basic colors. This is a pretty good brand. You can buy it from any art store. It's highly pigmented.
So I've already done acrylic pouring on the other part of the canvas, and I'm going to mix some acrylic colors using the brushes.
You need some palette knives, and these are my palette knives, so you can always use these to create textures. This is called as textured gesso. I use this texture gesso to create different forms and shapes on the canvas, and you can always prime your canvas using this textured gesso.
I'm loving how the colors are just flowing. It's an abstract painting, so I'm just moving very spontaneously.
Then I'm going to use these fluorescent green. I'm going to use a fluorescent pink also in the painting. I want the painting to be really vibrant. And then I love to use acrylic artist ink. These are really vibrant. I mix it with my acrylic paint, and it gives you a very beautiful effect when you mix it with acrylic paint. And you should use a round brush for using this ink color, because this is water soluble. I like vibrancy in my paintings, so I don't like to mix a lot of water with this ink color, so I prefer not to use a lot of water in the color.
Ink colors are more pigmented than the watercolors, so it gives a brighter tone on the canvas. It's more fluid than acrylic colors, so it gives an entirely different effect.
Acrylic color, I would always recommend to use hard brushes. This one is 16 number, and this is a smaller version of this one. You should always use these brushes for acrylic pouring. Then I have these round brushes. This is pretty good if you want to use ink colors and watercolors. You should always use soft brushes, and this is a smaller version for the smaller strokes. This is a bigger version for the bigger stroke. This is 20 number, and this is 6 number brush. These two are pretty good.
I'm creating a lot of layers using acrylic colors to give a texture to the canvas. I'm using fluorescent yellow and green color in the center and pushed it in using the hard brush. My brush moves according to what I'm feeling at that moment, so I just surrender myself to the process, and this leads to your own colors and images and visuals. For me, making an abstract painting is just an act of expressing yourself very spontaneously. So I'm just making the color combinations which I feel will look the best. It's fun to play with different colors and without knowing how it will come out. So it's quite adventurous and exciting to mix different colors all together. I wanted this artwork to look as if colors are just flowing like water on its own, very effortlessly and mixing together very naturally, organically. So here we go, and this is the final painting. I just love the colors. My 36 into 48 inches stretched canvas all set to be hanged on the wall. I hope this video did help you to know what all you need to create an abstract painting, and I hope you really enjoyed the video and watching the process of creating art with me. To get an update about my other work, you can always go to my Instagram page at Onima Kashyap and my art page at Onima Creations. Till then, be safe. Bye. Take care.